What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time. Here at Tech Time, we bring you all your tech all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our weekly content. Today, we're talking about these right here. These are the OnePlus Explorer Backpacks. I went to the OnePlus event, and one of their gifts to us, besides the swag bag with the Bullet wireless headphones and a couple other things, were that they were going to send these out, and they guaranteed them before Christmas. Now, these are an invite-only type of process, just like OnePlus phones back in the day. The original OnePlus phones, you needed an invite code to order them. Kind of, made it a tough process, but you also felt exclusive. If you did grab one, you were able to get an invitation code. So it's going to be the same thing with these backpacks. So you're going to need an invitation code. I happen to have 2 extras, so I will be giving them away on Twitter randomly in this next month. So make sure you follow me over there on Twitter. If not, the link will be down in the description, because you're going to want to be able to hop on it really fast when I give the 2 codes away for these backpacks. So this is their Explorer backpack. They have another backpack. They call it the Travel Backpack. I have that backpack. I actually really like it a lot. But this one right here is the new one. It's got a one-touch snap pull, and then you bring it back down. It's a magnetic clip, clips back on perfectly. This is the slate black, and this is the morandi green. And the morandi green is kind of like a grayish green. It's nice, but me personally, I like the black with the red strap. This one has like a brownish orange strap. And this is also made with Codura fabric. And Codura fabric is known to be made with like luggage, travel backpacks, hiking gear, stuff like that can really take a beating. It's great for abrasions and scuffs, and it's supposed to be able to last a lot longer and be really durable. For some reason, they didn't use the material on both backpacks, only the slate black. So if you want something that's going to be just a little bit more durable, the slate black is the color that you're going to want to go with. So this backpack is nice. It's got padding on the back, 2 straps, obviously, like a backpack. You've got a hook right here you can hang. The one touch that I talked about. Inside, you get the zipper on the top. That's kind of tucked away. There we go. And it opens up to this big area with an elastic right here. And you have room for a 15-inch laptop that can go in there. You can also probably put another laptop in there, sweatshirts, camera gear, whatever you want. There's another pocket on the inside. And then when you zip this up, pull that back down. There's a small pocket on this side where you can store things. And then there's a water-resistant pocket down here. So let's get this open. The zippers work really nice. So this is the water-resistant pocket, and that flips out so you can dry it off. It's good for any type of like wet clothes you have. If you happen to be swimming at a beach or something, you have some wet shorts, you're going to want to throw them in here. Umbrella, things like that. Not a lot of stuff can fit in there, but a decent amount, and it has a little vent on the side, so that will allow from water to get out, the moisture to escape, which is nice. They're also talking about a hidden pocket, which is right over here. You can keep your passport or your phone, things like that. So if somebody does come approach your backpack, they won't be able to get valuables. You can keep them right there, tucked away, nice and safe, up against your back. And then there's also one more pocket in the back. You could fit another laptop, a 15-inch, they say. Let's see if the 15-inch fits on the back. So it's going to be a little tight to go in there, but you will be able to get it inside. So we'll check that out right now. I'm going to show how well it fits. And this is not a small 15-inch backpack, laptop. Oh, we got a little problem with the zipper here. There we go. So a laptop goes in. And there you go. Fits in perfectly. 15-inch laptop. And then you can still pack tons of other things in here. So I'm going to cut out right now. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you exactly how much stuff you can pack in this backpack, what it looks like on, and we'll get into it a little bit more. So I'll catch you guys over there. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm going to give you a better look at the backpacks. Is the one clip, and it clips back in. You get the zipper. You can zip it up. like that. And then it clicks. Boom, open it. A little tag gets in the way. There you go. You get your pocket on the back, like I mentioned. And then you get your pocket on the side, the hidden pocket. You can put a little tripod or something on this little side pocket, which is pretty cool. We'll look at the green one, probably a little easier to show up. The two straps, nicely padded on the back, really good. You have an extra strap right here. Maybe you could tuck something in there if you wanted to. Zippers work nicely. Here's the inside. The laptop. You can put it in there. Big pocket. So there's a lot of area in this. So I have the laptop in the other one, the black one. You can stuff a sweatshirt in there. You want to take the laptop, put it in. I'll show you guys how it goes in. So you take it, and you're going to have your strap right there. This is the 15-inch 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐛𝐞 laptop by HP. Boom, sits in there nicely. It's actually 15.6 inches. You got a sweatshirt, stuff the sweatshirt in there. If you want to bring some headphones, you get your TreadLab headphones. Maybe flatten those out. Those can go in there. You want to bring a tablet along with you, you can bring a tablet, stuff the tablet up in this front pocket. Nice, no issues. Boom. And you still got area on the outside. If you want to bring in some camera lenses or something, you got your wet pocket in the front. That folds out, like I mentioned, waterproof or water resistant, so the rest of your bag doesn't get all messed up. And it has a nice little vent on the side. So these are pretty solid laptops. I'm going to show you what it looks like on right now, and then I'll give you my overall thoughts on it. So we're back. I'm going to show you how it looks. This is the Morandi green, all set up. A bunch of stuff in it. So throw it on. This one hasn't been adjusted yet, so I'm going to adjust my straps. Little strap adjustments right here, like a typical backpack. There you go. That's what the Morandi green looks like, and it feels good. With the laptop, a tablet, headphones, and a bunch of other things, I threw 2 cell phones in here, and it fits nicely. Works good. The Morandi green is not my favorite color, but it is classy looking. It's nice. I just like the black look. It's just that nice. So here's the black one. Show you what this one looks like on. Doesn't have anything in it. I do like it. The better feeling of it when it has some stuff in it. Just a little light right now. But that's it for the Explorer backpacks. Really nice. Super nice. And I'll actually show you the travel backpack. This is their travel. You can get it on their website still. This one's really nice also. It's been a favorite backpack of mine over the last year. I use it. I don't buy a lot of backpacks. I have a camera backpack that I use for my DSLR. And then I've actually been using this backpack as one of my main backpacks. And now this baby right here is going to take it because it's definitely a little bit more comfortable than the OnePlus travel backpack. For $99, I think it's a good buy. The quality is there. It's stitched well. They use Kevlar stitching. So I think the quality is real nice, and I think you're going to get a good product for the price tag. Now, if you don't need a backpack or you're not a big backpack user, then $100 might be a heavy buy for you. There's probably better things that you could spend $100 on, but that's something for you to decide, and you might not be able to get it anyways because it is invitation only. So, $99, invitation only. Check my Twitter. Stay watching it because it is going to drop 2 codes You're going to see them in the next couple of weeks before Christmas. I'll drop my 2 invitation codes. First come, first serve. Whoever gets them, hey, I'm glad you guys get it. Let me know. Whoever decides they use it and they make the order, you know, maybe screenshot it or send me a picture once you get the backpack. That'd be pretty cool, and I'm happy that, you know, somebody was able to use these 2 invitation codes that I get. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Explorer Backpack from OnePlus, another quality product coming out of the OnePlus regime. Until the next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.